What's up YouTube, this is Tubedigga. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use the looper along with your voice to create some harmonic drones to be used in a Keygroup program as a new unique instrument. So I'm just going to go into the looper mode on my MPCX. I've got it set to 4 bars, which is long enough to create quite a nice long-ish drone. I've got it in overdub mode. That means that when it's reached that full cycle of 4 bars, it will continuously overdub any additional content that I record into it with my mic. If we had it in play mode, it will do 1 cycle and then stop, and then we'd have to engage the record button again. I don't want to do that because that does introduce the same kind of pops and clicks that you get at the start and end points when you use the looper. So I'm going to put the looper into ARM record mode and press play start on the MPCX and start recording some weird and wonderful stuff into the looper. Okay, that's stacking up nicely now. So we've got quite a decent level there for that sample. So let's export that. I'm going to call it voice drone, just for good housekeeping's sake. So voice drone, do it, keep that. So let's now go to the main page and create a Keygroup program on our first track. Go to program edit and let's go to the samples tab and add our voice drone. There you go. Now I didn't like these peaky bits here. The latter half of it, well, from here to about here should be good. And I'm just going to increase the attack time a little bit and increase the release time to about 99. So the attack's at 46 and the release is at 99. Now I'm going to choose pad bank D, and pad 13 will play back the original pitch or the root note of this drone. So obviously you and I both know that I've recorded my voice, but to someone who didn't know, they might not know that that's an actual voice sound once you start playing it around chromatically. Now I added those high frequency hisses because it really makes all the difference when you start pitching things up and down, and it gives you more texture than just doing a couple of, you know, harmonic drones that are sat nicely together. It's nice to add a little bit of interesting high frequency content over the top. I've not got it set to loop. The reason that I've avoided looping it is because of the pops and clicks. Once again, it's another thing that I'd really love to see Akai improve with the looping in both drum programs and Keygroup programs, is a crossfade loop. So the ping pong loop is the closest you're going to get to that, but let's listen back with it in loop mode and I guarantee there'll still be a pop in there. Let's play it down at its original pitch and you'll probably still be able to hear that loop pop and click when it loops over. So even adjusting the start and end points with 0 snap set on, which is something I've mentioned in other videos, it does give you more of an accurate loop point to eliminate or at least reduce clicks. But let's snap it to a 0 crossing at the start, and I'm just going to use my Q links for the end. Just move it to any random point and hopefully that would have got rid of it, but I've tried this a few times before and it does struggle, particularly with this type of content. I also think it's something to do with the fact that it's a stereo sample. So I'm actually going to use this sample in a different way now. So I'm going to get the attack time down to a lower value again, and also reduce the release, and I'm going to put a little rhythmic sequence into the sequencer. And now we've got something that almost sounds like a marimba. Now I'm going to go up into a higher pad bank and see if we can add some higher frequency stuff over the top. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is duplicate this program to another track. So I'm going to press the pencil icon so we can edit this program from here, and I'm going to duplicate it to track. So that's now duplicated another copy of this onto track 2, and I'm going to adjust the release time on this back to what we had it before, so we can use this as a drone element over the top of that rhythmic section that we created on track 1. Right, let's get some drums in there whilst we're here. So let's go to track 3. I'm going to create a drum program, browse. So let's get a nice kick. Quite like that. It might not go with the music that I've created with my voice there, but I'm going to use it anyway. Let's search for a snare. That'll do. Let's load that. Now I need to go and assign that kick again. Right, let's just get a simple beat over the top of this. So there you go, I've put a little beat together with this, just using my voice to create the main musical elements, and just quickly gone into the expansion packs and thrown in some sounds and knocked up quite a nice little beat there. So I hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Any comments or questions on this, please put them down below. Please like, share and subscribe. There's a link to my PayPal in the description if you want to donate to the channel just to help me out. You can choose any amount you like. It would be massively appreciated. Big up yourselves. I'll see you in the next one. This is Tubedigga and I'm out.